Good day, everyone. My name is Miraflor Burial Gamayot from Malaybalay Bukidnon Cluster. Today, I would like to present to you the three domains of learning. Domains are cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. These domains represent different aspects of learning. It is thinking, feeling, and doing. Today, I will presenting five activities for each domain, and I will explain its purpose and specific verb used in each domain. Here is the first domain activities. It is the cognitive domain. Number one example is analyze a case study. Students read a detailed scenario and break down the key issues, identifying causes and potential solutions. The domain activities of this sentence is analyze. Analyze is belong to cognitive domain activities because domain activities, it require critical thinking and detailed examination. Second is evaluate research findings. The students review a scientific paper and assess the validity of methods, the reliability of the data, and the significance of the conclusions. The cognitive domain of this is evaluate because it involves making judgments based on specific criteria. The third example is create a mind map. The students generate a visual representation of a complex topic, linking related concepts and ideas. The cognitive domain activities, which is create because it demands the synthesis of information into a new coherent structure. Compare and contrast historical events. Students examine two different historical events, identifying similarities, differences, and their broader historical context. The cognitive domain activities of this is compare because it requires identifying relationships and patterns between different pieces of information. Number five example of cognitive is solve a mathematical problem. The students apply mathematical principles and formulas to find a solution to a given problem. So the cognitive domain activities is solve because it involves applying learned knowledge to produce a correct answer. Let's go to the affective domain activities. First example is discuss personal experiences with prejudice. The affective domain activities is discuss because it encourages open communication and the sharing of personal feelings. Second is reflect on the impact of a community service project. The affective domain activities is reflect because it involves introspection and examination of one's own emotions and beliefs. Third is share opinions on a controversial topic, which is the affective domain activities is share because it promotes open expression of personal opinions and values. Fourth is debate the ethical implications of a new technology, which is the affective domain activities is debate because it encourages critical thinking about values and ethical considerations. The fifth example of affective domain is value the importance of teamwork in a group project, which is the affective domain activities is value because it involves recognizing the worth and significance of something in this case, or it is a teamwork. Let's go to the psychomotor domain activities. First example is demonstrate a scientific technique, which is the psychomotor domain activities is demonstrate. Demonstrate because it requires physical execution of a learned skill. Second example, students build a model of a cell and use materials to construct a three-dimensional representation of a biological cell. The psychomotor domain activities of this sentence is build because build involves physical constructions and manipulations of materials. Third example is perform a musical piece. Students play an instrument or sing a song, showcasing their musical abilities, which is the psychomotor domain activities is perform because it requires physical execution of a learned skill involving coordination and precision. Next is construct a prototype of a mechanical device, and the students assemble and create a working model of a machine or a tool. So the psychomotor domain activities is construct. It involves physical creation and assembly. Next is manipulate laboratory equipment to conduct an experiment. The students handle tools and instruments with precision to gather data and observe results. The psychomotor domain activity is manipulate because it involves skillful handling and operation of physical objects. And this is all for today, and thank you so much.